Are you a teenager and you want to turn your free time into cash? Whether you're saving for a new gadget or just want some spending money, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share 5 awesome ways to earn money online as a teenager. Let's dive in. Freelancing. First up, freelancing. If you're good at writing, graphic design, or even video editing, you can offer your skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. As a teenager, you might think you don't have enough experience, but everyone starts somewhere. Just create a simple portfolio showcasing your work, set your rates, and start pitching to clients. It's a great way to make money doing what you love. Online tutoring. Are you a math whiz or a science genius? Websites like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com allow you to teach subjects you excel in. You can help fellow students while earning a nice paycheck. Plus, teaching others is a great way to reinforce your knowledge. Content creation. If you love creating content, why not make money from it? Start a YouTube channel or TikTok account focused on something you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. It's fun, creative, and potentially lucrative. Sell products online. Got a creative streak? Try selling handmade crafts, artwork, or even clothes you no longer wear on platforms like Etsy or Depop. You'd be surprised at how many people are willing to pay for unique, personalized items. It's a fantastic way to turn your hobbies into cash. Online surveys and testing. Finally, if you're looking for something easy, try online surveys and website testing. Websites like Swagbucks and User Testing pay you for your opinions or testing new websites. It won't make you rich, but it's a simple way to earn some extra money during your downtime. And there you have it, 5 ways you can start making money online right now as a teenager. Remember, the key is to find something you enjoy and stick with it. With a bit of effort and creativity, you can turn your free time into a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your money-making journey.